Dang, that thing's cool as hell looking. Oh. Let's find you some dirt. Yeah, Lyric was nice enough to let me test drive. Ooh, there's their electric Subaru Brat. That's cool. There's a regen throttle on here, like a back 4000 Sur-Ron. So you essentially never need to change your brake pads. And this thing is zippy. Loading up the Lucids. Just press coming through. I mean media coming through. Watch out. Watch out. What should we test on this, guys? What is this hiding over here? Is this electric? Yo, this thing is very fast. Yo! Hey, pace me. Pace me right next to me.
Okay.
So we can see the top, because there's no speedometer.
Okay.
Tell me what the high speed is.
28, 31, 34, 35, 36.
Whee!
37 right there.
We're going 37 miles per hour. And I'm chilly. I'm chilly. And we're at a racetrack. We're at a crazy racetrack.
36.
It's fast.
Yeah.
It's fast and it's light. Woo! Let's try to get into this tunnel over here.
Oh, tunnel.
All right, we're gonna go check. There's also a McLaren racing event going on here. It's probably over as well. Are you scared?
No, it's cool. Christmas show. Is this the racetrack? Are we heading there?
Yeah, we're about to race. Wow, this racetrack has its own gas station. Oh, we flanked them. We flanked them. Look, we got here. We're back at the expo.
We're back.
The Lyric Graffiti. Check them out. They also have two faster bikes. The Voodoo and the Ghost. Very fast. This thing is very quick.
Yeah.
I love it. We tried to sneak onto the racetrack.
I don't know if I'm allowed here with this, but this is the Shreddy mobile. Here. No, this is the Dylan mobile.
Oh, you have a Sur-Ron.
But I have one of these. See
That's
that?
right.
Look at you.
Yeah, go for it.
I ride a dirt bike, so.
It's on, FYI.
People put way smaller wheels on them.
Yeah. Little moto tires.
What kind of accessories is this going to come with?
So this is an accessory as it is, and then we've got like extensions down here so you can put kind of bags, complete bags on, and like be able to attach things like right through that. We've got a crate that's like coming with this as well that you can kind of fit on that too, so that you'd be able to actually carry like 200 pounds worth of stuff on the back of this.
Wow.
So it's super like,
You want to ride it? What's that? Oh yeah. Yeah, I took this to the yeah, I ride it in like where mountain bikers go a lot of times, and they don't really get too mad.
Motorized?
I ride it anywhere, literally. But I like going off-road. A lot of these guys, they just have street tires on them and they just do wheelies in the streets and they never see the dirt. But I bought it for the dirt.
So there's no gears or anything on it, right?
Nothing. Sport and EP. You want to ride it? Sort of do. So it's not going to go till the kickstand's up. It has like a sensor in it. And it's it'll go up on you. Yeah, so just yeah.
Little love. First time on a run. Here we go. First time on a Sur-Ron. There she goes. Let's see what the reaction is when she gets back. Alright, hold on.
Yeah. I know, I love it.
So much lighter than like my dirt bike.
Oh yeah.
I know, I can lift it into my bus like super easy.
Yeah. Like my dirt bike weighs what, 200 pounds? Thank you. What's the range of that?
About 40.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fun, hey?
It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
I gotta hit the track with this. Can we just do wheelies now? Are we just a wheelie guy these days? Because that's how I feel. Cool shuttle. Look at this. This guy's me. This guy is me. Bro. Oh no. Somebody lives in there though. I hope they saw my cool bus.
Here in Texas, he's got a Texas hat. That's where you need a cowboy hat while you're here.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I can just do wheelies now. That's crazy. Thanks, Sur-Ronster. And thanks every single person who ever said, hey, do a wheelie. Back when I couldn't do wheelies. Dude, that was a record. That was far. Dude, I can just do wheelies now. Are you guys excited about that? What is that thing? It's a what?
I'm supposed to be direct over the weekends like that.
Props. Dude, I'm a wheelie guy. I'm officially a wheelie guy now. I'm sorry, what were you saying? Those guys said do a wheelie.
Oh, I was saying, I can't do a wheelie, obviously. That was scary. Only really good way to do a wheelie, technically route it. You can kind of almost pump on it.
Yeah. Oh no, you just can't drop stuff. No, you can't drop stuff.
You put it on a carrier on your back, and it'll carry it yourself.
Ah.
Hop on, buddy.
You think? Hold on, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta get deeper inside you.
Wow. That was like a mythical creature.
I'm like, it's a guy though, right?
Yeah.
It's a guy though.
But that's Austin, man.
That's just weird.
All right, you ready to lean back? We're gonna do a wheelie.
No fucking way, dude. I'll fall off this.
Dude, I was shocked myself doing a wheelie.
Crazy.
I got it now. I don't know what. I think it was just the ride. I think it was the ride that maybe it just clicked in my head.